أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So in the second section of this class, first you will see something which you already have seen in the first part. For example, you have seen this already. Ism, fail, and harf. These are the three types of word we have in Quran. So any word in Quran, if you pick up any word in Quran, it will be one of these three: ism, fail, or harf. And then you also saw their definitions. I will not repeat them. And then we went over a couple of examples to these, identify the types of words and label them in English language, English sentences, and then we label them. So three words that we need to learn. If you don't know already, please memorize these three words and understand what they really mean. Ism, fail, and harf. You can say this is the homework for today. Ism, fail, and harf. So as I said, I will not go into definitions because that's already done in the previous part. Okay, now we will do the same thing, meaning labeling a sentence, but we will use an Arabic sentence. Zaidun zahaba ilal masjid. Zaid went towards the masjid. The words, the English translation of the words is given just below the Arabic words. So we want to label them. What is ism, what is fail, and what is harf. That is the task. So Abdul Rauf.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. What is Zaid?
Zaid would be the ism.
Okay, keep going.
Zahab would be the particle.
What does Zahaba
Mhm.
mean?
Oh, sorry, that would be the fail because that's an action there.
There's action in it. Yeah.
Towards would be the harf,
Mm-hmm.
and then the masjid would be the ism once again. Or
Is it not the name of a place?
yes, it is. Yes, that's
Yeah,
ism.
masjid is the name of a place. So it is ism. So simple as that. Huh? Thank you, Abdul Rauf. Uh, Brother Abid Siddiqui, inshallah. Can you, brother, unmute? Okay.
Yes, Aslam.
You see a sentence, Fatimatu akalat fil bayti. And the meanings are given just below the words. So could you help me label, brother? What is Fatima?
Yes. Fatima is ism, Akalat is a fail, Fi is a harf, and Al Bayt is ism.
Al-Bayt is ism. Yeah, simple as that. It's simple as that. So identifying the words and thank you, brother Abid. So identifying the words and knowing what they are. So either will be there is no fourth type, just three of them: ism, fail, or harf. And as brother Akhtar in the first part told you, there are a few signs which you can look for identifying what an ism is. Hmm? For example, there could be tanween. Tanween means double haraka. Dammatain, fathatain, or kasratain, meaning two damma, two pesh. In some cultures we call it pesh. Two pesh, two zabar, two zer. Or dammatain, fathatain, and kasratain. So when you see the word like wufurun, so two damma. Over here, qawman, two fatha. Ta'amin, two kasra or two zer. This is a sign that the word is an ism on the last letter of the word. What could be the other one? If the word is starting with al and that al is additional, like alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. So this alhamdu is an ism. Al-arda, al, starting with al. And ar-Rahman, starting with al again. So if you see an al at the beginning of a word, that means it is an ism. Most of the time, like 99.9% of the time. There are there are a few fail which start with al with as well. There are a few fail that start with al as well, but they are very rare. But once you know more, then you can differentiate between the two. And if the word is ending with the round ta, which is called ta marbuta in Arabic, you don't have to learn this term, but if you like to, that will be great. But round ta, any words ending with round ta, they will be ism, rahmatun, hamzatu, or kuwatin, or any other word that is ending with this round ta is called is will be an ism. So this is are a few, but there will be this is not an exclusive list. This is not a complete list. Uh, there will be ism who will not have a tanween, and maybe not will starting al with al, or have a ta marbuta at the end, but they're still ism. So there are some other ism who may not fall into any of these categories. So this is not a complete list. But once you know more about fail, harf, and ism, then you can differentiate between them easily. That's what my hope is anyways. Okay, so now we know about ism, fail, and harf. And in this part, we will learn more about ism. And what is more? We will be learning about the properties of ism. Properties of ism. So there are 4 properties of ism. Every ism or a noun has 4 properties. What are they? Number 1, status. Number 2, gender. Number 3, number. Number 4, type. So this is the second thing you need to memorize. The first thing is 3 types of words in Arabic language: ism, fail, and harf. These are the 3 terms that you need to memorize if you don't know them already. Ism, fail, and harf. And under ism, we are learning that every ism has 4 properties, and you need to memorize them as well. How you memorize them? For example, if I ask any of the students, what are the 4 properties of ism? The answer will be like this: status, gender, number, type. Okay? Simple as that. If you want to know the Arabic terms for them, status is called i'rab. Gender is called jins. Number is called adad. And type is called qism. But in this class, for the 4 properties of ism, we will not be using the Arabic terms, just to keep the things simple. So whenever I ask about the 4 properties and ask what they are, the answer should be status, gender, number, and type. That's all. Status, gender, number, type. And now what we are going to do, we're going to learn more about status. So we are in this class, today's class, after knowing the 3 types of words in Quran, we are focusing on ism. And first thing we learned about ism was it has 4 properties. And now we are going to learn about the first property in detail. What is status? What does it really mean when we say status? To help us learn about status, we need to learn something. But first, we need to learn something first, and that will lead us into learning the first property of ism, which is status. Okay, so what is the first thing we need to learn? That is the Muslim chart. And there are 2 types of chart. There are 2 types of Muslim chart. The first one is a masculine gender chart, and later we will see there is a feminine gender chart. Okay, so in this masculine gender chart, Muslim chart, we have 9 words. So if we go with columns, the first column is for singular, second column is for dual, and the third column visibly will be for plural. So Muslimun, it's a very easy, simple word. Everybody knows what it means. It means a Muslim. So Muslimun, it can come in three forms. Muslimun, it can be Musliman, or it will be Muslimin. But in either of the three cases, that the meaning is the same. Meaning is a Muslim. Muslimun, Musliman, or Muslimin. They mean the same thing. The ending is different. The red part. The ending is different, but word is still the same. Why the ending is different? You will find out the why it is different later. I will not explain that now. But at this time, we just need to memorize this, know the meaning and memorize this Muslim chart for masculine gender. The second column is for dual. Now, there is a big difference between English language and Arabic language with respect to singular and plurals, because when we say that a word is plural in English language, plural means more than one. Anything more than one, two, three, four, five, whatever, that is plural. But in Arabic, when we say plural, it means more than two. So when we say plural, it means three or four or five or six, whatever. But it does not include two. Plural does not include two. Because for two or for dual, Arabs have a separate word. For example, over here in this chart, Muslimun means one Muslim. And Muslimuna means Muslims. This is a plural word, but it means more than two. And there is a separate word for two Muslims, Muslimani. Okay? So Muslimun, a single Muslim. Muslimani, two Muslims. Muslimuna, more than two Muslims. So first column is for singular, second is for dual, and third is for plural. Similarly, Musliman, singular. Muslimaini, two Muslims. So Muslimani and Muslimaini, they mean the same thing. But there is a variation for a certain reason, and it serves a certain purpose, which is a very important purpose. But I'm not going to go into that purpose at this time. Okay? Inshallah, we will talk about this later. At this time, I just want to tell you that Muslimani means two Muslim and Muslimaini also means two Muslim. And the third one is just repeat of the second one. So both Muslimaini and Muslimaini, they are written twice, and that is also for a reason. But all these three words mean two Muslims. And Muslimuna in the plural column means more than two Muslims. Muslimina and Muslimina. So in the second and third row, the same word is repeated, which means the same thing, more than two Muslim. So when I ask somebody to repeat to me or tell me the Muslim chart, this is what I expect. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. 9 words. This is the way I expect that when I ask someone to give me the Muslim chart for masculine gender, this is what they will tell me. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. It will take some practice, but if you spend some time on it, I'm pretty sure you will get it, and you can do it really easily in a couple of seconds. The whole Muslim chart for masculine gender. But what we can also do is fit other words using this chart as a template. For example, the word is mu'minun. So if we use this Muslim chart as a template, as a sample, as an example, and then fit mu'minun word in this template. So instead of muslimun, we will place mu'minun. So at where the place where the word muslimun is, we will replace it with the word mu'minun. And how the words will change then? Mu'minun, mu'minan, mu'minin, mu'minani, mu'minaini, mu'minaini, mu'minuna, mu'minina, mu'minina. Okay? Again, mu'minun, mu'minun, mu'minan, mu'minin, mu'minani, mu'minaini, mu'minaini. Mu'min means a believer. So singular believer, a one believer, and then two believers, and then more than two believers. So again, mu'minani, mu'minaini, mu'minaini, mu'minuna, mu'minina, mu'minina. So now I would like to interact. It's interactive class, as our first teacher has told us, and we would like that students participate. And this is the feedback to the teacher as well. So we know the teacher knows how much the students are learning, how much they are engaged. So I had Arham. Arham, you had your hand up. So can you come back?
Yes, uncle. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. So can you just tell me the Muslim chart first? Right in front of you, just you can just read it.
The Muslim chart is Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
All right. So I hope everybody will memorize this after this class. So before the next class, these 9 words should be on our fingertips. And when I ask somebody to give me the Muslim chart, they can do that in 5 seconds without any difficulty. Okay. Now we're going to use this chart as a template and fit in the word mu'minun. I saw another hand up there. It's gone now. Was it you, Umar? Umar?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So fit the word mu'minun in this table.
Mu'minun, mu'minan, mu'minin, mu'minani, mu'minaini, mu'minaini, mu'minuna, mu'minina, mu'minina.
All right, good. Thank you. We have another word. Kafirun. Kafirun means a disbeliever. So Abdul Hadi, can you fit the word kafirun into the Muslim chart and give me 9 words?
كافرون كافرون
Kafiran.
كافرا كافر
Very good.
كافران
Kafirani.
كافران كافرين
No.
كافرين
No. So this is not Muslimina. Muslimaini, huh? So kafiraini. The ending sound will be the same.
كافرين
Mhm.
كافرين كافرون كافرين or كافرين.
Okay. So Abdul Hadi, can you tell me what does it mean when I say kafirina? Kafirina is
Or
singular, dual, or plural?
disbeliever.
How many?
Single.
Muslimina means one singular Muslim, one singular disbeliever?
Yeah.
Okay. This is not correct. Saad Iqbal, what does it mean when we say kafirina?
Assalamu alaikum. When we say kafirina, it means more than two disbelievers.
More than 2 disbelievers, because plural in Arabic is more than 2.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Saad Iqbal. We have Sister Maryam Zishan. Maryam, can you give me the Muslim chart first? It's right in
Yes, sir.
front of you.
Yeah. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
All right. Now I'm going to give you a new word. Okay. Maryam,
Yes.
Nasirun. Nasirun means a helper.
Yep.
Okay, do you see that word?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you fit that word in this table now and make 9 words?
Okay. Nasirun, Nasiran, Nasirin, Nasirani,
No,
Nasirin.
no, no, no.
Sorry. Nasirani, Nasirani, Nasiraini. Nasiruna, Nasirina, Nasirina.
Okay. What's the meaning of Nasiraini?
Two believers, two helpers.
And what's the meaning of Nasirina?
More than two helpers.
More than 2 helpers. Very good.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Mariam. So we go to next word. Sorry. Next word is Abidun. Abidun means a worshipper. We have Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Muslim. Can you give me the Muslim chart first?
Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Okay. Now the word is Abidun, which means a worshipper. Can you fit this word in the table and give me 9 words from it?
Yes. Abidun, Abidan, Abidin, Abidani, Abidaini, Abidaini, Abiduna, Abidina, Abidina.
Okay. So Abidun, Abidan, Abidin. Do they have any difference in meaning? These 3 words?
No,
No. And Abidani, Abidaini, and Abidaini. Do they have any difference in meanings?
no.
No. They all mean two worshippers. All right. Good. Good job, Abdurrahman. Okay. There won't be a breakout room today's class. So Arafa, give me the Muslim chart.
Yes. Musliman, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
All right. Perfect. Good job, Arafa. Your word is Sajidun. Sajidun means?
Sajidun, prostrator.
Yeah, but
Sajidun,
no, listen. This is a difficult word. Do you even know what a prostrator means?
sajda,
The one who does sajda.
the one who does sajda.
Very good. Sajda. Sajda like we do sajda in the prayer. Okay, now fit it in the table, please.
Sajidun, Sajidan, Sajidin, Sajidani, Sajidaini, Sajidaini, Sajiduna, Sajidina, Sajidina.
Perfect. So what does sajidaini mean?
Sajidaini, two prostrators.
Yeah, 2 prostrators or 2 people who do
Who do
sajda.
sajda.
Very good. Very good. Good job, Arafa. Okay, Abdullah. Abdullah, who is with brother Tanvir. Abdullah, you have your hand up. Can you give me the Muslim chart?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Go ahead.
A Muslimun, Muslima, Muslima,
No, Musliman.
Muslimin,
Mhm.
Musliman,
Muslimani.
Muslimani, Muslimin,
Maini.
Maini, Muslimaini, Muslimun, Muslimin, Muslimin.
Yeah, in this class, I would like you to say instead of Muslimun, Muslimuna. Okay, say the haraka on the last letter. Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. Good job, Abdullah. Thank you. Okay, now we have to fit another word into this table. So, Saad Iqbal.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, Saad. Sabirun. Sabirun means
Sabirun means the one who's patient.
the patient one. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Sabirun, Sabiran, Sabirin, Sabirani, Sabiraini, Sabiraini, Sabiruna, Sabirina, Sabirina.
Very good. Now I'm going to hide this screen. Okay, Saad,
Okay.
give me the Muslim chart.
Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Very good. Thank you, Saad. Ayan, give me the Muslim chart.
For Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimin.
Okay, Ali, give me the Muslim chart.
Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Usman, are you comfortable doing the same thing what Ali did? Go ahead. If you are comfortable.
Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimuna,
No,
Muslimani,
Muslimani.
Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Perfect. You did a great job, Usman. Excellent. You are the new participant and you did not have the table in front of you and you still did it. Last couple of times, Abdurrahman, Muslim chart.
Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimun, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Very good. Very good. We have Brother Ahsan Quraishi. Would you please give me the Muslim chart, brother? Ahsan Quraishi? Would you be able to tell me the Muslim chart, brother? I cannot hear you. There may be a technical issue here. Hiba is going to give me the Muslim chart.
Okay. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
All right, good. Welcome back, Hiba. Hopefully you will stay all the way to the end. Okay. Thank you. Abdul Hadi, give me the Muslim chart.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Abdul Hadi's mother and I'm also taking the class with him.
Okay, you go ahead, sister.
Okay.
Give me the Muslim chart.
Yes. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina.
Very good. So the time is up. It is 11 o'clock. So I will stop here. And the homework.
11 o'clock?
Thank you. Sister, can you mute your mic now, please? Thank you. So what we did today? 3 types of words in Arabic language. Ism, fail, and harf. Memorize these terms. Ism, fail, and harf and what they really mean. And then the Muslim chart. Memorize these 9 words. The way we did. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin, Muslimani, Muslimaini, Muslimaini, Muslimuna, Muslimina, and Muslimina. So we started with ism and then the 4 properties of ism. Memorize that. Status, gender, number, and type. And now we are learning what? The first property of ism. And for learning the first property of ism, we need to learn this Muslim chart. And that's why we are doing this. So in the next class, I'm going to start with asking a few people to give me the types of word, how many types of word we have in Quran, what those types are, what are the 4 properties of ism, and what is a Muslim chart. All right. Hopefully you will be prepared next time. Thank you for your time. This is where I will end today's class. Jazakumullah khair for your participation.